her white handkerchiefs and raised in the air. One night, as I was walking in the road in a mountain barangay called Guadalupe, I walked by an old man with a white beard and a long white hair, looking over the sunrise. And I was wondering what he was doing with a pail and a shovel on his side. And I was curious, so I approached him and asked, "Hey, old man, what are you doing there, staring at the sunrise beyond those mountains?" And he pointed at 3 mountains. "Look at those 3 mountains, young boy. I want to make back on those mountains." And I told him, "Are you foolish, old man? You can't make back on those mountains, not even in your lifetime." And so he replied, "I know, young boy, but those 3 mountains are blocking the sunlight to pass through our village. And so our plants cannot grow because the sunlight cannot pass. So, it's photosynthesis. Our plants can't grow, our village can't live. And so I want to make back on those mountains." And he told me that I know there will be more like me, more foolish man who will make back on those mountains. My sons and my daughters will make back on those mountains until those mountains will be back on. So let's go back the mountains. You make back on the mountains. You make back on the mountains. Everybody, make back on the mountains. Make back on the mountains. You 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 in the morning. Back on the mountains. Salamat. Kataga ang bukid.